morning, guys. It is day 3 in St. Maarten. Today we're gonna go do the big 3. I'm gonna be recording it. I don't remember the exact names, but you have the Flying Dutchman. You're gonna go to a museum. There's a restaurant over there, and just stay tuned. I will be showing you guys all these activities that I'm going to be doing. And then after this, I'm going to Maho Beach. That's where you can see the planes come in. I'm gonna get some footage over there, hopefully take some nice pictures with the plane coming in. That'll be super cool. All right, so stay tuned.
We have over 100,000 people living on this island. We have over 100 different nationalities on this island. Biggest community are the Chinese community, followed by the Latins. First habitants on the island used to be the Arawak Indians. They came to St. Maarten to do farming and fishing, but they were quickly followed by the cannibalistic Caribbean Indians. After St. Kitts and Nevis, we have the island of St. Bart's. On the other side of this mountain, we have the island of Anguilla. That side of St. Maarten, Saba, St. Eustatius, and Curacao used to form part of the Netherlands Antilles until 2010, where the Dutch side of St. Maarten and Curacao had gathered independence and became a country within the Dutch kingdom, but we're still using the Antillean guilders.
So pretty. This is the first activity we're doing. We want to take a video. About to do the mini zip line. And we're gonna go all the way down where? All the way up top.
What are we doing?
Isn't that weird?
About to
We're
do this
eager
right
to
now.
know. Like, what is it? Is it like YOLO? No. COVID didn't get me, so let me.
The way that this wind is going, I am nervous about keeping my glasses on.
So we are about to do this.
Right, exactly.
This is how we're gonna
die.
all the way down.
It's the
They're getting it ready for us.
Who you with?
It's a nice view.
Ooh.
I'm vlogging. I'm not filming nobody.
Yeah, so I figured.
They have a little bar right here. Just took a shot of guava berry.
Another shot.
That was good. Alright. Let's see y'all when I get down to the bottom.
Don't have me Wally. Babes, they go die for me. Don't
Just
have me
came
Wally.
back from up
One with the
here.
chick,
Oh my god, it was so fun. Now he's dancing.
I've had a few shots, now I'm in trouble.
Sunset by the beach. Waiting for a plane to come in so I could get that nice look. guys, so a couple hours passed. Well, a whole bunch of hours passed. Maybe like 12 hours. Yeah, it's been 12 hours since I last was recording. From after I left the Rainforest Adventures, I came back to the resort and showered and got ready and put bikini on and went down to the beach, which is Maho Beach, right outside of the resort. So it's within walking distance, and you can see when the planes come in. I'm gonna add pictures of me, because I met this guy on the beach and he took my pictures. So I'm gonna insert some pictures along the way. What else? Some of them came out really cute. But after that, went to the pool. Then after the pool, I went and had dinner. And then after dinner, came back to my room and lay down for like an hour and a half, and then got up and started getting ready. Which, this is what I have on. Well, I took my shoes off. So I went to a lounge right across from the resort. They was having a little party. They have hookah, they got a bar. It was good vibes, but everything closed at 1, so be mindful of when you guys are coming here, that to make sure y'all check when things are like getting shut down and stuff like that. Because make sure you have like snacks in your room. I mean, that's just a little tip. You don't have to have snacks, but let's do what you like. But then after that, I was meeting people along the way, having conversations, because it is a friendly island, so people are gonna ask you where you're from. Boom, boom, boom. They're gonna tell you where they from, or if they from here, if they're not from here, and what is what. So after that, I went back out. We went to a gas station. I went and had a hot dog. I was listening to some music. I might insert something here. Like, I did some stuff I didn't record, especially the food. When I'm eating the food and stuff, I didn't record. It's not like I have a personal vlogger. I'm the one recording, and I record with my phone. So, yeah. And right now, by the way, guys, it is 3 a.m. in the morning. I still need to wipe my makeup off. Yeah, I still need to wipe my makeup off and go to sleep. Tomorrow is day 4, which is officially the last full day. And the day after that, then that's when I'm just gonna have breakfast, check out, and go to the airport, because I gotta be at the airport 3 hours before. That's another thing to make sure you, when you guys get here, they're gonna tell you anyways, but you gotta be at the airport 3 hours before your flights. If your flight's at 4, you need to be at the airport at 1. If your flight's at 4 p.m., you need to be at the airport at 1 p.m. Okay. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, you guys will see what I'm going to be doing. So,